Class 6, this is your science class. We are reading page, unit number 8, energy. This is our lecture number 3 of unit number 8. We will read page 99 to page 101. Energy converters, different devices in our surrounding that convert energy from one form into another form are called energy converters. Some examples of energy converter are given in the following table. A radio convert electrical energy into sound energy. A television convert light and sound energy into electrical energy and then back into sound and light energy. An electric drill change electrical energy into mechanical energy. Washing machine change electrical energy into mechanical energy. A calculator change electrical energy into mechanical and light energy. An electrical iron change electrical energy into heat energy. A water wheel change kinetic energy of moving water to kinetic energy and heat energy of grinding stone in the mill. A spring change kinetic energy into potential energy, back into kinetic energy and then again into potential energy and so on. At page 99 there is an activity, remember and understand. Student, please do this activity on your book and learn this activity. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, an electric light bulb converts electrical energy into light and heat energy. Number 2, the brakes of a vehicle change kinetic energy into potential energy. Telephone change electrical energy into sound energy and back again into electrical energy. Next, sources of energy. We use many different energy sources to do work. Energy sources are classified into two groups, renewable and non-renewable. Both can be converted into secondary energy sources such as electricity. In diagram you are seeing non-renewable energy sources are coal, petroleum, metallic ores and natural gas, while renewable energy sources are wind power, tide waves and water energy. Non-renewable energy sources. The energy sources which exist in nature in limited amount and take a very long time to replace are called non-renewable energy sources. Coal, crude oil, natural gas and uranium are example of non-renewable energy sources because once they have been used up they cannot be replaced. ये वो sources होते हैं जो use करने के बाद ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, दोबारा replace नहीं किए जा सकते. Nuclear fuel. Uranium or a metal is a non-renewable source. It is mined and converted into fuel used in nuclear power plant for production of electricity. Fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources. Fossil fuels are very important source of energy. Fossils of long dead plant and animal undergo chemical changes brought about by the pressure of layer of earth, turning into fossil fuel like coal, crude oil, petroleum and gas over thousands of years. When fossil fuels are burned, they release their energy in the form of heat. Heat energy is used to produce electrical energy in power station. It is also used to produce steam in boiler. Renewable energy sources. The source of energy which exists in nature in abundance and can be replaced easily in a short period of time are called renewable sources of energy. Wind power, water power, solar energy are renewable energy sources. Renewable energy is available easily and will never run out. It does not cause any environmental pollution like greenhouse effect and global warming. There are different types of renewable energy sources. First one, solar energy. More energy reaches the earth from sun than could be converted by million of power stations. We can use sun energy to heat the water in our home by using solar panel and solar cell. Solar calculator, solar mobile charges, solar panel are application of solar energy. Water energy and hydropower. Running water has kinetic energy. It carries things along with it as it flows. We use energy or power of running water to turn turbine in hydroelectric power station. Then this converts into electrical energy and distributed through power line to our homes. Wave energy. The energy of sea wave and tides can also be converted into hydroelectric power. A line of raft floating on the sea will move up and down with the waves and their kinetic energy. This kinetic energy can be converted into electricity. Now students, your lecture is complete. Read page 99 to page 101 as a home task and learn, remember and understand present and page number 99. Do it on your book. Learn definition of renewable sources of energy and non-renewable source of energy. Thanks a lot.